Assembling the Onefinity CNC rolling folding stand. Please read and understand the Onefinity CNC rolling folding stand manual before continuing with assembly.
Welcome to the Onefinity CNC rolling folding stand assembly video. Let's get started.
Starting with our unboxing, we're just going to open it up and run through here and pull everything out of the box. For the sake of time, we've cut the plastic off of the pieces before continuing our assembly. For our video, we are working upside down for demonstration purposes in order to show you a better angle. So we're going to start with the outsidemost bolt on the right side. We're going to remove that, and then we are going to place our leg and secure the outside bolt back into place before proceeding. Once the outside bolt is secure, we can remove the inner bolt, place it through the leg and the end frame, and we will secure that in place. With both bolts in place, we can now go back with our 10mm wrench and our hex key or driver and secure them. We're then going to go to the back and mirror that process on the other side. With both legs now in place, we can place our leg brace between them. We will use the 4 bolts included with it. We'll place one on each side, and once the brace holds itself in there, we can attach the other 2 bolts and straighten it out. Come back behind that with our 5mm Allen key or impact driver, and we are good to go on this side. Moving back to the left side, we are removing the outermost bolt. We will place our leg, line it up, put that bolt through, and once we've got that through, we can now remove the second bolt, line up the leg, and secure both bolts. Moving to our last leg, we remove our plastic. We will line up our outermost bolt and secure it. After that, we can remove our inner bolt, line up our leg, and secure that as well. Again, we're going to come back behind that with our 10mm wrench and our impact driver or hex key. After this, we're going to move onto our second leg brace, again using the 4 included bolts, lining up one on each side, threading those in, and then going back and doing the remaining 2. Now that all 4 of our legs and our braces are completely secured in place, we're going to fold this up and we're going to flip it over to put the handle on. Here we're taking out the outermost bolts on the wheel side for the last time so that we can remove the end caps and insert the handle. We will then use these bolts to secure the handle in place. With our bolts and end caps now removed, we can slide our handle into the tubing on both sides and line up the holes in the end rails with the holes in the handle. As you can see here, it's a tight fit and you may need to use a rubber mallet to beat it into place. Once our handle is inserted, we'll go back to our bolts, we'll insert them, and we will use our impact wrench or Allen key along with our 10mm wrench to secure those once more. Our final step will be installing the controller on the bottom left of the wasteboard. We're using 4 of the included screws and we're screwing them into the holes of the T-tracks that also secure the MDF slat. Now you can head on over to our video showing how to install your Onefinity CNC to your quick change wasteboard frame. Now that our rolling folding stand is completely finished, we can fold it up and store it against the wall.
This concludes the Onefinity CNC rolling folding stand assembly video. Thanks for watching.